Hey guys! This sucks! Hey guys, how's it going? I thought I'd make a quick little video of my Ipsy that I got this month of April 2019. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription that you can get, and it's $10 a month, and you get about 5 little samples, or sometimes they're travel size and sometimes they can be full size products monthly. And so this is my April bag, and I thought I'd share with you guys what I got. It comes in this like really pink magenta envelope. Then let's see what's in it. Oh man, they glued it down. They done glued it down. Alright. Oh, fun. Look at that. That's cute. Haha, I like it. Lemons. I really like that. I don't know why I like it so much. I kind of want lemonade now. It's so summery. Cool. Okay. Well, so this didn't fit. So this is our first item. Puppy dog, what is it? She's like, bro, is that for me? Surely that's for me. Alright, so first item is something that doesn't fit in the little pouch. It's a red fruits brightening mask. Whoa! There's 2. But wait, there's more. So on the back it says broccoli plumping mask. Oh, wait. Sounds delectable. I think she thinks it's a treat. Poor puppy, I'll get you a treat. So yeah, 2. That's cool. So let's see what else is in here. So you know, they include this little card. I guess this is the theme. Now in season, fresh spring beauty. Let's move that for you in case you want to jump up here. The juice is worth the squeeze. Ooh wee. So inside comes a little card that has a little bit of a explanation of what the theme is in a sentence or so. Now in season, fresh spring beauty, and it has the products here. Spoiler. I actually don't like looking at it. I like actually seeing the products in the bag, and then I look at the card. But sometimes I get emails and it just shows what's in the bag. But then I can't help but look sometimes. But anyway, first product here, we have Moods Laura Sanchez. Huh, I think I used to know someone named Laura Sanchez. Ooh, cool, look at that. Kind of slides out. That's cute. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. I like that. That's a nice color. What is the description on this sucker? So eyeshadow in rose gold woman, and it gives you a little tip. It's saying using an eyeshadow brush, sweep over eyelids, blend, dab. It wants you to dab a little bit, get you in the spirit while you're putting your makeup on. Okay, next. Ooh, what is this? A pencil of some sort? Intense Kajal Blackout. Oh, so I guess it's eyeliner. Let's go to the handy dandy card. Sugar Cosmetics. Oh cool, I like Sugar Cosmetics. I use their lip liner. So it's a bold black eyeliner, and it's transfer resistant, smudge proof, waterproof, but not fun proof. Oh, it's not just a crayon, it's like a full-on little sucker here. Ooh, dark, intense. 2 more, just 2 more products. What is this? We have creamy lip stain. See, the stuff in Ipsy, it's just fun. I like these things. I like these little brands that I've never heard of. I love lip balms. I love lipsticks. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice color. Stain and shine. Let's see what the card says about it. It says that it's a creamy lip stain by TheBalm Cosmetics. It's a terracotta stain gloss hybrid that coats lip in rich color, moisturizes them, and lasts for hours. I dig it. I dig it. All right, last little bugger in here. We've got Buxom, B-U-X-O-M, and this is a lash volumizing mascara in the Blackest black. I love mascaras. I will always accept mascaras. This brush is intense. That is big and long. It's spiky. So I have a love-hate with spiky ones because they hurt my eyes sometimes, but I kind of get why they're necessary. And sometimes you actually do need that brush to kind of help separate your lashes and get rid of any clumps. I actually don't mind getting them. I don't always reach for them though, but I do like having them. I'll have to try this one out. And that's it. That's what I have in my box, my Ipsy box this month. I'm excited about my April box. It's pretty cool. I'm actually pretty happy with what I have. Honestly, there's nothing in here that I don't like, which is awesome. I love that. Ipsy is so great. For $10 a month, I really think it's worth it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, my unboxing of my Ipsy this month. I'm looking forward to using all the products in there. I hope this helped you out and maybe influenced you to get it if you're interested in that. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else like this. I'd be down to show you. I'll talk to you guys later. My dog's looking at me like, bruh, what are you doing? Puppy doggy. I didn't mean it. Alright, sorry. Alright, where were we?